Hi everyone. Now I will cook a Kasuri Methi chicken recipe. So now we will marinate the chicken. I will put a turmeric powder, salt, ginger garlic paste, Kasuri Methi, yogurt. Now we'll mix it, all the ingredients. You can add chopped green chilies if you want to, but for me I'm skipping chilies on my recipe, but it's nice have a little bit spicy. Okay, so now I already mixed all the ingredients, so we'll marinate for 60 minutes or 1 hour. Now we'll start to cook. The wok is hot, so we'll add oil. And now we'll add all the spices. We'll stir. And we'll add the onion. We'll fry the onion 8 to 10 minutes till become light brown. Onions are cooked. We'll add tomato puree. We'll fry it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we'll add the marinated chicken. We'll mix it and we'll cook 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of frying, we add coriander powder, garam masala. We'll mix it and fry for 2 minutes. On this recipe, you can add chili powder if you want to, because I know spice is yummy, but for me I'm skipping for the chili powder. After that, I will put the cashew paste that I grind earlier and make a paste. Put it. We'll mix it for 2 to 3 minutes until the oil will separate. You can add the pepper, the crushed pepper. Now we'll add water. We'll cover and cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we can add we'll add the fresh cream. We'll mix it and cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we'll add the Kasuri Methi, roasted and powdered Kasuri Methi, and we'll mix it and we'll leave it for 2 minutes. Now we'll check. 2 minutes is done. Now it's already cooked. Now it's ready to serve. Is the Kasuri Methi chicken. Thank you for watching. Love ya.